How to get a free Solana airdrop straight to your Trust wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Head over to a platform giving out the airdrop and create a new account. It only takes a couple of minutes. Step 2. Once registered, open your wallet and enter the promo code shown on the screen. Don't miss this step. No code, no bonus. Step 3. Done. The airdrop is activated and you'll receive 200 SOL in your balance. Step 4. Time to withdraw. Select Solana from the list of assets. Enter your wallet address. Input the amount and confirm the withdrawal. Check your wallet. There it is. The Solana has arrived. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more awesome tips.